Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make split square triangles. These will be instructions to make identical split square triangles. You're going to need 1 square of fabric from fabric A and B and 2 squares from fabric C. I do have a cutting chart. It's available on my website. There'll be a link to it in the comments below. Using a quilter's quarter, place it on the diagonal on the wrong side of the fabric and mark a line on both sides of the ruler. You should have 2 lines as shown. Move the quilter's quarter to the other diagonal and repeat by drawing a line on both sides of the ruler. Now the wrong side of your fabric should have 4 lines as shown. If you do not have a quilter's quarter, then draw a line across both diagonals and then draw lines on both sides a 1/4 inch away. Pin fabrics B and the background B and C right sides together. Sew onto the right hand line until you get to the centre. Then pivot and sew across the square until you meet the left hand line. Then sew along the left hand line. Turn the square round and repeat. Always sew on the right hand side. Now your stitching should look like the red line. Cut between the stitched lines in both directions. Press seams towards the darker fabric. Now cut fabric A in half diagonally. The yellow fabric has been cut along the bias, so handle with care or its shape will distort. Pin your sewn triangle to fabric A as shown. Fabric A will be larger and that is okay. I'm going to trim using the Quilt in a Day triangle square up ruler. A link to this item is in the description below. If you do not have this ruler, then click on the link in the top corner and it will take you to my video on trimming your 1/4 square triangles with a standard quilting ruler. You need to trim your units to the unfinished size you want. For example, 4.5 inches for a 4-inch unit. With this tool, line up that measurement along the seam and the centre line along the upright seam. Rotary cut up and down both sides of the triangle. Press and cut the dog ears off. Congratulations, you have made identical split square units. You can use these to make the twin star block. Click the link in the top corner to watch the video. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please click like, subscribe and follow, and look forward to seeing you again. Keep quilting. Bye for now.